This drink helped me get from this to this, so keep watching to find out how. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So there's so many things, tips and tricks you can use when it comes to weight loss, and one of the things you can use is apple cider vinegar, which is today's topic. Today's topic is going to be about apple cider vinegar and healthy eating, clean eating. So I know apple cider vinegar is really gross. Actually, let me say that for starters, it's really gross and some people can't take it, whereas others can. But if you can't, the trick is to dilute it in water, which I'm about to show you in a minute. One thing you have to note is that when people are trying to lose weight, especially people that try to lose weight fast, they try to take apple cider vinegar and use it in a bad way, like they abuse it and take it every day. But you don't have to take it every day, especially for you people that think that it's gross. Basically what you do, you can take it for a week, actually every other week, just to help you boost your weight loss process and get healthy process, as opposed to making it the main thing that helps you lose weight. Because let me tell you this from the start, it's not going to work using it alone and not dieting, not working out, not maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It's not going to work. So ideally, personally, I take it every other week, and I only take it to help me boost my weight loss process, or maybe I've been bad and I'm trying to get back on track, and it's actually really good for getting you back on track. It's good for getting you back on track. I'm actually going to show you my 1 week results, because I have been off track, and for those that follow me on Instagram, you should know that I haven't been posting so much, mostly because summer had taken me, and now I'm back trying to get back on a healthy track, and that's why I'm talking about apple cider vinegar, because it helped. So stay tuned, because at the end of this video I'm going to show you the before and after results from 1 week of taking apple cider vinegar, just to get myself back on track, as I had lost myself with summer and partying and all that. But apple cider vinegar has helped me go back on track, because in 1 week I've lost over 8 pounds that I had gained back in just 1 week. Not completely, it's not like it's the only thing I've been doing, but it has really majorly helped. First, because I'm not working out. I am working out, of course, but I'm not working out as much. I only worked out 3 times this week, but it still helped, and I'm using my own recipes to help me lose weight, which I'll talk about at the end of showing you the apple cider vinegar. I feel like I'm talking too much, so let me just show you how to make it before telling you the benefits and everything else. Also, let me just show you a sneak peek of what I look like right now, and then at the end of the video I'll show you the video from the day 1 to day 7. So this is what I look like today, which is just like my normal before self until, well, yeah, my normal before self. So let me show you how to make this drink. First, you're going to need apple cider vinegar, and it's important to get apple cider vinegar that has the mother, because the mother is what is down here. So of course you shake it so that everything gets mixed, and it's what is the components in the mother is what is going to help you get all the benefits that you're looking for, which I'm about to tell you in a minute. But I don't really have any measurements. Normally I use a cup, like a spoon, a tablespoon, or that's the cover of the apple cider, and I use 1 cover, and it changes a little bit, so I'm just going to add another, just a little. Put as much as you want, because it's gross. You can put just 1 cover if you want, just because I take it every day, I'm used to its taste. And then secondly, you're going to add a juice of half a lemon. So you squeeze juice of half a lemon in there, just to make it less bitter and to give it some flavor. And normally I actually use ginger water, but I didn't have ginger water available today, but I feel like it gives it a boost. So normally this would be it. This is how you mix it normally, and you can use a straw. I have to stress that out, use a straw, because apple cider vinegar messes with your teeth, and it makes them weak and sensitive, so it's better to use a straw. And then last but not least, this is the normal way, but I'm a little bit extra, and because I'm a little bit extra, I'm going to add, there's so many ways in which you can mix this apple cider drink. So today I'm going to add ginger, just because ginger helps to strengthen your immune system. So I'm just going to add a little bit of powdered ginger, and then I'm going to add cayenne pepper, because it helps with digestion, number 1. Number 2, cayenne pepper helps to boost your immune system, and also helps to suppress hunger. So if it's the first drink you have in the morning, it's going to help you balance out what you eat during the day, and at the end of the day, for those people that eat a lot at night, it actually helps. So I use a straw, and this is the drink. So it's good to take in the morning because, I mean, you wouldn't want to start off your day hungry, and if it helps you suppress hunger, why not? So some of the benefits of drinking this are, first of all, because of the cayenne pepper. When you wake up, the cayenne pepper helps suppress your appetite, like suppresses hunger. So you don't want to eat, like during the day you don't want to eat so much. It helps boost your metabolism, and if it boosts your metabolism, it means you're burning more calories when you work out. So if you take it in the morning, go to the gym, it helps you burn more calories. It definitely does help you lose weight. It helps you fight bacteria, it helps with the skin, it helps detox, it helps eliminate toxins, it helps with so many things. So it's a good drink to start with at the beginning of the day and at the end of the day before you sleep. Like, it should be the last thing you take, because when you're sleeping, so many things go on in your body. And actually, personally, it helps me with bowel movement, and you know how I'm so much about gut health and stomach health. And of course, if you're eating well, bowel movement is easy. So yeah, that is a very good thing. So I'm not going to drink this now. I mixed this for later because I already had my morning shot, but I just wanted to show you how to make it. I'm just going to cover this and put it in the fridge, and I will have it before I go to bed. So after showing you how to make the drink, I have to stress out something very, very important. It is important to note that this drink is not the magic drink. You have to realize that it's not the magic drink. It's not what is going to make you lose weight. You have to put in the work. You have to go to the gym. You have to have an active, no, well, not go to the gym necessarily, like be active, drink lots of water, have a healthy diet, basically do all those things that you need to do to have a healthy lifestyle and help you like lose weight. So I personally have 4 things that I like to do when it comes to getting back on track. I'm going to explain it in details in the next video, which if you want to watch, by the way, you guys should subscribe to my channel and ring the bell right next to it to be notified when I upload a new video. But there are 4 things, which a summary is: when I wake up in the morning, I like to boost my metabolism so that I can burn fat along the day when I work out, and when I eat, my food is digested quickly. Hence the apple cider drink first thing of the day and end of the day. And then second of all, I like to hydrate. I like to hydrate because hydrating, it helps you pee, and when you pee, you take out all the toxins out of your body, and that is very important. When you take toxins out of your body, you take away all those little cravings that you had. Oh my god, I'm going into detail and I didn't want to do that, so let me just say sorry. Let's start it all over again. Number 1, boost your metabolism. Number 2, drink a lot of water and detox. So I have a recipe on detox water if you want to check it out. If you haven't already, I'm going to leave a link to it above. And then number 3 is stay active. You don't have to work out all the time, but stay active. Do house chores, drink a lot of water, and go to the toilet to pee. And then number 4, last but not least and most important, is dieting, eating clean and all that stuff. And I know very many people have a problem with that, including myself, because my relationship with food is crazy. That being said, the second topic I wanted to talk about was clean eating. I personally have a problem eating clean because I get so tempted so easily. So because of that, I've created all these recipes that are similar to the unhealthy version of the stuff I want, so I make a healthier version of it. And you guys have seen some of the recipes on my channel, and if you haven't, feel free to check around. Maybe you'll find something you like. And for those that have, I have so many more recipes, exciting recipes. They all help to lead you to a healthier lifestyle and also help you to lose weight. And if you're into that kind of thing, guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below to my new ebook. It's not out yet, but I'm working on it. So it's the pre-sale. I'm actually doing a pre-sale right now. If you buy it right now, you're going to get it at a discounted price. Of course, right now it's not done, so you're going to get an idea of what to expect in the ebook, and you're going to get recipes you've seen me show you. Some of them, some are really new. So if you want to check that out, guys, please click on the link in the description box down below and pre-order the book. When the book comes out, of course, it's going to be a little bit higher than it is right now. So be one of the first people to get it at a cheap price. And of course, you get to let me know what it is you guys are interested in, and I can make switch ups before the final version is out. And also, guys, please buy it to support a sister. Am I cute enough? Anyway, so here is what I look like on Monday, and this is what I look like on Sunday. And damn, I was very I literally was busting on Monday, and today I feel so good, I feel so great. And of course it was because of the apple cider vinegar and eating healthy. So guys, don't forget to check out those recipes in the description box down below. And if you like this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel, and subscribe if you want to see more weight loss, fitness tips on how to start your journey, on how to get back on track and stuff like that. And yeah, hope to see you here next time, guys. Bye.